Some say I have too many bikes. Well, you be the judge of that. Wife's old bike, the real classic. Daughter's bike. Doors Discovery. Wife's new folder. And my new Pashley. Can you have too many bikes? My wife says I have, so some of them have got to go. You might have noticed in the footage of all the different bikes that I've got a bike workshop stand. It's going to make life a lot easier. Got it off a friend. His son had his bike stolen and can't be bothered with bikes anymore, so offered to me first refusal for a tenner. Rude not to buy it. Should make my life a lot easier than creeping around on the floor, that's for sure. Also, a few of the bikes, well, two of the bikes that were in the last part of the video, have been sold now on Facebook Marketplace, so it makes a little bit more space in the garage, but it's still hard work. What am I up to at the moment? This little plastic doobery arrived in the post the other day, so I'm going to attach that properly with the wires and get the front dyno hub working. Then I just need to wait for a bulb to turn up. There's a little bit of buckle in the wheel, just about there. I might have a tweak at the spokes with the tyre still on. Really should take the tyre off and make sure there's nothing protruding, but I'm only going to give them half a turn or something like that each. They're all not the most tightly spoked wheel I've ever seen. To me, a lot of them feel quite loose. Similar story on the back. We could do a round of tightening. Thought I'd clean out the front hub brake while I've got the wheel off, so giving that a bit of a wipe with some brake and clutch cleaner. Done the same with the shoes and given them a light sanding. Basically, yeah, they've hardly had any use, not a chance to bed in yet, so keep them as clean as possible, adjust them properly. One of the main difficulties is getting the thing centred, because you ideally need to slam the brake on while that centres, because there is just a little bit of play, and it is enough once you've got the appropriate washers on, just enough to make a difference. Probably need to rig up a cable tie between there and there, slam the brake on, then I can nip this up, which I'm going to have to do two-handed. Excuse the voice, I've had a chest infection all week, been quite ill with that, but yeah, it'll get better, it always does. Get myself down here now then. Of course, trying to tighten the spokes, my spoke wrench didn't fit the the spoke nipples on these wheels, so that's a job for some time else. In the meantime, oops, I got some standard, I'll bring it a bit closer, see if it'll focus, 6-volt bulbs through the post. I'll use LEDs at some point in the future, but for now Is that in? Has it gone in? And of course it's a type of bulb that doesn't fit properly. Wonderful. Right, now I'll get it in as best I can. Nope. Yeah. Doesn't the glass part doesn't fit in the hole. The metal would. That needs a little bit of a trim, or I set the idea of fitting LED. Well, thankfully I did have a 10.3 mil drill bit, so that is a little notch there. I'm not sure if you can see that in the flange on the bulb. It corresponds with a notch at the top there. Just slide that into place, pops in, and now it's where it should be. So with a bit of luck, that should now close. Excellent. Yeah, let's give it a try. Lift this up and spin that wheel. Oh yeah. Right. Well, I know that's working. Next job, I'll find an LED and see if I can do something about the flicker that you get with LEDs. But yeah, it's ready for now. It'll do for now. Switch it off. And switch this off. See you next time.